Okay, back with this Peugeot. Now I managed to get an aftermarket piece. The little tab here was in the wrong place, so I just filed it down. It corresponds with the, if you can see that, get some light on the subject. Oh yeah. Right, so again, just had customers in. So yeah, had to just file that down a little bit there so that it locks in nicely. So what we've got to do is now solder up these wires to the car, put the sensor back on, then plug it in, and hopefully we're good to go. I need to make a note, because being a third-party kit, the wire colours are different, so we need to make sure that we know what's what when we put it back together. Alright, so all installed now. As I said, it's not factory, it's third party. Couldn't buy that, just that piece of pigtails from factory, so. Right, I've plugged in the diagnostics, but let's just see before we go on with the scanner. We have a dead battery now. Okay, oops, there we go. Hook up the charger. So I've got a big boy charger on it now. So it's a nuclear. Hopefully. Okay, now I can run a diag on it. Just see if those codes need clearing down. They should go now to history codes. You might have seen in my last video, I've worked out how to screen record. Right, once this booted up, let's come back and see what codes it has. I've repaired the wiring for the eye level brake. There's two wires that are broken. Classic with these. So on the left hand side is your wires for your heated screen and all your other bits and pieces, and your eye level brake. Let's go intelligent diagnostics. I could have gone history, I suppose. I just thought I'd do it this way. I'll do it later. I'll do diag. Yes. So we'll do a health report again. Right, so what have we got? A couple of them, but don't forget the battery was pretty bad. Run for a report. Okay. Intermittent, excellent. Local, that's intermittent. Good. I don't really need too much for that. Don't really want to save it. Okay. I need to exit out of this. So I'm going to go back. Clear DTCs. And then we've all completed and we're all good. Let's run it up. Look in the engine. Full codes, no trouble codes. That's all good. Okay.